got more on that breaking news out of Los Angeles. A 4.4 earthquake felt across the city this morning. NBC's Miguel Almaguer joins us now live. Miguel, good morning. What can you tell us?
Savannah, it certainly was a steady jolt this morning. This earthquake, the 4.4, happened about 15 miles away from downtown Los Angeles. It was felt up to 40 miles away. It was a strong jolt at 6:25 this morning. It began as a subtle roll and then quickly just began to shake and rattle and roll depending on where you were. The good news, there is no early reports of damage anywhere across the city. Lucy Jones with the UCSGS says that there will likely be no structural problems from any buildings in this region because of that 4.4 magnitude earthquake. But she did say it's certainly a reminder for folks living out west that this is earthquake country, and we do need to be prepared. I can tell you, Savannah, I was at the gym this morning when that earthquake happened. There was a calm roll and then a steadier, more significant jolt. People began to run for the exits. Many people began to look around. They were stunned. As I made my way in, folks on the freeway were certainly going a little bit slower than usual here in Los Angeles, but it was certainly a significant jolt this morning here.
Yeah, and always a scare. Miguel Almaguer live for us in Los Angeles. Thank you.